guys, welcome back. So today we're baking Valentine sugar cookies. And these are my molds we're gonna use. What you'll need: 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. This is the brand we are using. 1 cup sugar. Yes! 1 large egg. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extra. 1 cup of butter, which is too thick. First we will mix the baking powder and flour. You need a bowl, come here, whisk. My whisk. Okay. I'm gonna dump this. Wait, I have to dump all of this? Even this? All of it? I'll put this aside. In another big bowl, mix sugar and butter. And my mom will help me with this one. I'm gonna dump this. I think this is smooth enough. Now we will mix the egg and the vanilla. Now we will mix the flour slowly. The dough should be soft but not sticky. And kids, it's kind of squishy. Now we will wrap this in the saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Rolling pin, so we are using a wine bottle, and my mom surrounded with round wraps. cookie dough molding or your cookie dough cutter and some extra flour. Heat your hot oven at 375 degrees. Now you can save the cookie dough for 7 days. This is what my cookie cutting looks like. And we will bake them to 7 to 8 minutes. We will see you back. Now my cookies cooled down and this is what it turned out. It's time for me to decorate. And my icing color on. It's red, purple, pink, and I have some sprinkles. And my mommy will help me with the icing. And my mommy's gonna cut the tips so the icing can go on the cookies. And I will sprinkle them. Done decorating. This is what they look like. Now it's time for taste test. I'm going to do this one. Thank you for your thumbs up. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Ring the bell. See you next time. Bye!